Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So let's try and get control on D4, I think. Yeah. I think I should try and interfere with this plan here, otherwise I'm going to get mated without much of a fight. Okay, I'll hold D4, can play knight E3, try and get onto some dark squares. B5. There's some play. Rook B8 and stuff. If he goes back, Queen D3, I think this is interesting. He hasn't exactly got a great advert for the Grand Prix attack here. My king seems a bit safe. Not mated or anything. I got queenside play. Bishop G4. Queen C7. What about Queen C7? Bishop D3. Anything better? Bishop F5 just to stop. Bishop D3, so I've got Queen C7 without Bishop D3. Knight G3, there's Queen A8 on G2 here. Fascinating. Might actually be a good move. Queen A8, using that rook on the 7th. And the pawn for a moment. It's Bishop D3 here. Bishop G4. So Bishop F3 I can take. Bishop G4. So I want to be able to take on F3. Rook F3. Then what into that pawn? That pawn is doomed, isn't it? Yeah, E2, knight E2, Queen E4. Not really sure what this is doing. Do I play that? Right, there's no rook E3, it'll be Queen E3. So why not just double rooks for a moment? Rook B1. Oh, interesting position. Queen on that A8. Can I just double the rooks? He's got Queen. Unfortunately, he's got Queen E4. Take Rook E2. Okay. Not trapping the rook yet, is he? Queen d5. Bishop f8. And Queen b8 or Rook b1. I think I might have enough. Let's take this b5 anyway. Just to block this. Maybe it's a bit pointless. Don't know. I'm kind of pinning the knight to g2 again. And Queen e4 would have been another very interesting pin, which I didn't consider actually. Why didn't I consider that right now? Especially there's no check.
Check.
Queen f2 looks pretty dangerous. H5, H4. Pins at f2 the knight. Actually, bishop e7 to bishop h4. If I have a g3, then check. Yeah, I think bishop e7 to h4 looks very interesting in principle. Let's go and play queen f3. Let's see, does he play the check here? Because bishop f8, if he doesn't, check. I wonder. Alright, just testing. So I'm bending. Queen f3. Oh, it takes time out for that. Oh, there's Queen e5 on the cards. Let's stop Queen e5. It's got a pass pawn now. I will stop Queen e5. On bishop f4, maybe that's a good idea anyway. Bishop f4. Why didn't I think of that before? Get a pawn. Okay.
Check.
Here we go. Rook a2. Oh my. I think f6 and e5 just a. I don't want to get too far behind on the clock. Can my king go anywhere? E5 to some quite a block on the pawn. Right. It's like 30 seconds each. Okay, it's getting dangerous.
Check.
Can I defend this? I think it's almost pre-move time actually. If I can avoid getting mated, etc.
Time warning. Check.
It's lost, isn't it?
Check.
Oh, he's got me. it's a shame. It was a fun game for a bit anyway. Okay, I'll give him it. Yeah, it was fun. I don't know, did I miss? It looked good. I mean, yeah, I think the engine likes Blackexplosion, likes B5 as well, I think. Did I not put them away somewhere? That's the question. Queen 8 is liked. Yeah, I played some pretty nifty moves here. Bishop D3 was matched up. What about this? Ah. Or even that. Queen B8 or Queen C8 apparently. Oh, that was a mouse step. Crikey. Why is that superior? Interestingly. Oh, hang on. I'm on F1. Winning the exchange. Oh, crikey. Bishop D3 might be the shot. Yeah, this is a really good shot. This should have been winning. I thought it should have been winning. In my heart, it's a rook on the 7th. They're often winning. Let him slip. As you do, sometimes. 5-minute chess. Oh, but this pin was Bishop E7, yeah. Just to try and get Bishop H4 in. Apparently this is really good as well.
Check.
I mean, what is he going to do? G3? I'll play the check.
Check.
Oh. Oh no. This is quite straightforward, isn't it? If I picked up this Bishop H4 plan earlier instead of H5 first, kind of messes things up a lot.
Check.
Then he's got this sequence now. Because he's created pass pawn, he's got Queen E5 threatened.
Check.
Wow, that's really messed up. I gotta say, yeah, when I had him, so opportunities with the rook on the 7th just to build up the pressure. He played well here to get his pawns. It's winning now for white. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.